How to start community on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch the WhatsApp application on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you land on this interface. Once you land on this interface, head over to the top of this interface. There you will get a menu bar with an option as chats, updates and call. From there, tap on the very first icon just in front of chats. That will take you to this interface. Now at the very top you will get an option as a new community. So tap on there. That will allow you to create a new community. Then tap on get started. After that you have to type in your community name. So enter the community name that you would like to name your community. And you can also add or change photo as well. If you tap on this profile icon on your interface, and at the drop down menu you will get an option to either take a photo from your camera or select from gallery, or you can also add emojis and stickers, or you can also search from wave. So you can go through that if you would like to add photo. If not, then you can skip this process as well. Once it's on with that, tap on this arrow icon from the bottom right corner. Now you can add group to your community. To do that, tap on add group at the bottom of this interface. Now you can either add existing groups to your community or create a new group. So if you would like to create a new group, go and create a new group by adding some members on that group, or if you already have a group on your WhatsApp, and you can also add that group on your community. If you want to do that, go to add existing group, and once you do that you will get announcement groups automatically on your community. And that's how you can start or create a community on WhatsApp. That's all for today's video. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, do not forget to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon for more upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.